How to add and edit your Google Chrome's home screen shortcuts. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add and edit your home screen Google Chrome's shortcuts. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your Google Chrome. After you're on your Google Chrome, if you don't see any shortcuts right here, what you do is you head over to Customize Chrome. You'll see it on the bottom right or on the top right corner. So tap on Customize Chrome and scroll down. Scroll down until you find shortcuts. Right there, you'll see a toggle button called Show Shortcuts. Toggle that button on and you should be able to see your shortcuts. Now there you can add new shortcuts by simply tapping on add shortcut. Now here you can keep a name for your shortcut. So I'll just name this Google and just give it a URL that is google.com and tap on done. With that, as you can see, I've just added a Google Chrome's shortcut and you can use that as well. Now, if you want to remove a shortcut, what you can do is simply hover over that very shortcut, and on that shortcut top right corner, you'll see three dots like this. Tap on it, and after you tap on it, you'll see remove button. Tap on remove and it will get removed. You can also edit shortcut from there. You can simply change the name of a shortcut as well. And that's how you add and edit your Google Chrome's shortcuts. Thanks for watching guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.